If you've never seen a home inspection report before, it can feel overwhelming. 40 to 80 pages of notes can make any buyer nervous, but most of it is completely normal. I'm Jermaine, your Arizona realtor, lender, and fellow investor. And today I want to walk you through what to expect from your home inspection so you can review it with confidence. Inspection reports are detailed by design. They often highlight everything from small cosmetic items to larger system components. Especially with resale homes, it's very common to see a longer list of findings. Older homes naturally have more wear and tear. That doesn't mean the house is a bad purchase. It simply means it has lived in history. Your inspector may recommend bringing in specialized contractors for certain items. For example, if the air conditioning system isn't functioning properly, they may suggest consulting a licensed HVAC professional. If contractors are recommended, it's wise to gather 2 or 3 quotes. That gives you a realistic understanding of repair costs and helps ensure you're not overpaying. Remember, a detailed inspection is actually a positive sign. It gives you clarity, it allows you to negotiate intelligently, and it helps you make a fully informed decision before moving forward. The inspection phase isn't about finding perfection. It's about understanding condition and risk. If you have any questions about your inspection report or how to respond to it, then let's talk. I'm always here to help homeowners and future homeowners like you. Got questions? Call or text me at 480-800-HOME. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arizona real estate tips. Have a nice day.